What's up, everybody? I am so excited for today's workout because I'm getting to use our brand new long bands. Yes, today it is build and tone your upper body in just 8 minutes. Guys, I want you to do this workout every single day for 8 days in a row. So 8 minutes, 8 days, and using our brand new long bands. Oh my gosh, you can travel with these. It makes it so easy to get your exercise in on the go. So if you are ready to start this workout, make sure that you drop "I'm in" the comments below. You also subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a workout, because guess what? On this channel, we have new workouts that come out every single week. All right, are you ready to get started? Grab your bands and let's go. Let's go, family. All right, so you're gonna add your weights, you're gonna get your long bands. If you don't have either of them, no problem. I'm gonna give you some modifications as well. So we're gonna get the time on the clock. Now, we have got 30 seconds of exercise. We've got like a 5-second rest. It's not really a rest, it's just to get into the next workout, okay? And then we're gonna keep on going for 8 minutes straight. So get yourself ready. First exercise that we're gonna do is we're gonna grab those weights and we're gonna take it into around the world. So palms are gonna be facing towards me, slight bend in those knees, pull that core in nice and tight. We're gonna take them all the way up to the top and then all the way down, slow and controlled. So you're gonna be working your abs, your core, and that upper body as well to get nice and toned. Oh yes. So here we go. All you've gotta do is keep pushing throughout the rest of these 8 minutes and you're gonna get results. Just think about it. If you kept showing up and you kept moving your body for 8 minutes every single day, and then maybe you increased it to 10 minutes, and then you were like, no, I can do more. I've got more strength inside of myself. I can do 15, and boom, before you know it, you were on the BTES app doing your daily 28-minute workouts. Lift all the way up and release. All right, we're gonna take it into prayer pulses. So grab your yellow band, the lightest one, or if you're like, hey, I'm gonna push myself a little bit today, we're gonna take it into prayer pulses using our band. So all you gotta do is pop your foot down onto your band and then lifting up and down. See, we're taking prayer pulses to the next level right here. Oh yes, we are. We're not just squeezing those elbows together. We are adding in those bands. All right, here we go. Inhale through your nose, exhale everything out, and get excited about it, right? Get excited about coming to these workouts. How can we change our mindset to being fired up? Give me one more and gently release. All right, we're gonna take it into a V raise with a bicep curl. So you're gonna take it right here. So raise out to the side, bicep curl all the way out, and then gently, slowly down. That's it. Here we go. So extend. Bring those weights in, tap that shoulder just once, and then slow, controlled all the way down. You guys are doing so great. Now, all you gotta do to get results, by the way, is I'm gonna let you into a secret. You just have to finish this workout. Just imagine how much you are gonna feel accomplished when you keep on going and you complete the full workout. Give me one more and release. All right, we're gonna take it into a narrow press all the way up. So right here, overhead press, squeeze and down. No, we're not gonna drop those elbows too low. We're gonna just bring them to that 90 degrees and then shoot those arms back up again. Pull that core nice and tight, drop those ribs down, slight bend in the knees, and say, I've got this, right? Morning affirmations, evening affirmations, workout affirmations, right? Whenever you can say to yourself, yes, I've got this, I can, you're gonna give yourself a great little pep talk to keep on going. All right, all the way up, inhale through your nose, exhale everything out, last one, and release. Pop those weights down to the ground, grab hold of your light band. We're gonna take it into pulses and our triceps. So working out those bingo wings. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna step on that band and you're gonna take it out to the side. So lift up and little pulses up and down. Here we go, belly button pulled in. Lean forward just a little bit more. Extend those arms out to the back and just tell yourself that you can, right? Everything is mindset. If you think you can or if you think you can't, you are right. So let's just say to ourselves, we can. All right, here we go. Out to the side, let's go for 3, 2, 1. All right, now you can either use weights here, or I'm gonna show you how we can do flies with our band right here. So we're just gonna pull out to the side and back in again. That's it. So out and then squeeze. That's it. You might wanna just adjust, pull that down a little bit lower so you can get that full wide extension. Here we go. Out and squeeze. These are so great when you're traveling. We definitely can't be traveling with our weights. We wanna use that weight in our suitcase for hats, bags, shoes, toiletries, right? Don't stock it up with weights all the way out to the side. Here we go in 3 and 2 and 1. All right, we're going to take it into a row to a lateral raise. So really simply, you're just going to row up right here, and you're going to pull straight out in front. Here we go. So row up. That's it. And then turn those palms facing down towards the ground and extend all the way up to the sky. Here we go. Row it up. Drop down those shoulders, lifting up through the chest, slight bend in those knees. Come on, here we go. We've got this. We've got one more exercise, and then we're going to take it all the way through from the beginning. So 10 seconds is left on the clock for us to finish this exercise nice and strong. We've got overhead V elbow pulses, and then we're going to take it into our final exercise. All right, drop that down to the ground. I'm going to grab hold of those weights, and here we go. We take it into an overhead V, squeeze nice and tight, and then push those arms out to the side. Here we go. So palms are facing towards each other. Now drop those shoulders down and think about pushing through your hands with your back and your shoulders. That's it. Isolate that muscle to really push it through nice and strong. All right, smile, guys. We're going to keep on going. You can do this. You just have to make a decision to say, yes, I can. To say, yes, I've got this. To say, I'm not going to quit. I'm going to go through this whole 8 minutes, all right? And gently release. Okay, here we go. We're going to take it into around the world. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Over the top, belly buttons pulled in, and then all the way down. Let's tap those weights as we get to that bottom position. Here we go. Tap at the top, and then tap all the way through. Give yourself a smile, because this is the second time through. This is where the results start to really kick in. Do not quit. Just because you've done it once, all right? Maybe this is your 3rd time doing this workout. You want to keep on going. Maybe this is the 10th time. Just think how much stronger you're going to be doing this workout 10, 20, 30 times all the way through, and release. Grab quickly that band for me, but trust me, you're going to be really, really great at getting in and out of your ankle weights, getting in and out of your resistance bands. That's going to be part of the fun when we're doing our exercises. All right, prayer pulses, here we go. Inhale through your nose, exhale everything out. Stand up nice and tall and squeeze those glutes. You've got this, right? Just think about how great you are going to feel when you keep on pushing forward, when you do not quit, when you make it happen for yourself. We're going to take it into those V-raised bicep curls next. In 3, 2, 1, and release. All right, pop that band down to the ground. Grab straight over into these V's. Here we go. All the way up. Bring in and tap into your shoulders, and then extend all the way down. Belly buttons pulled in. All the way, breathe through it. Just know that every single rep that you're doing right now is counting towards you getting results. All you have to do to get results is never, ever quit. That's the only way, my friends, that you are going to fail at anything is if you quit, right? All you have to do is just keep on going. Extend out to the side, relax all the way down. Let's go for 3, 2, 1, and release. All right, we're going to take it straight up into those narrow overhead press. Bring those elbows up, bring those feet and knees together. Up we go, and bring that down. That's it, just 90 degrees. Squeeze that core, squeeze those glutes as well to protect your lower back. And just think about yourself, as every single time that you're pushing up, you're getting stronger. You're saying to yourself, I can do this. Like, there's no reason why I can't accomplish anything that I want in life. I just have to keep on working for it. I get to enjoy the journey of getting amazing results. Here we go, pressing all the way up. We've got this for 5, breathe, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Grab hold of that yellow band, whichever band that you're using. Bring your foot in front and other foot in, and here we go, up and down. That's it, just tiny little pulses, getting those bingo wings. All right, we have got 3 more exercises to go, and then we are completed with this quick little 8-minute upper body burner that you are going to do every single day, 8 minutes for 8 days. All right, here we go, 10 more seconds left. Pull that core in now, lean forward just a little bit more for the last part. Make it that extra burn for 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Come back into the center. You're going to bring your feet into the front of your band and take it into those flies for me. So out to the side, bring it back. That's it. You can have a little bit of resistance as you get to the center right here. Bring those elbows in and then elbows all the way out. Here we go. That's it. So it's kind of like a fly, but bringing those elbows in at that bent 90 degrees. All right, 2 exercises left to go. Do not quit. Push yourself a little bit harder. We've got those rows with those lateral extensions. Then we've got that overhead V, elbow pulses and squeezes. That's it. 3, 2, 1, and release. Stand up nice and tall. We're not going to release for too long. We're going to take it into that row and then straight out in front. Here we go. We'll row it up and then squeeze, lifting up through your chest. Breathe. Come on. Here we go. final exercise after this. How can you make this last minute your best minute yet? Can you make this better than the time that you did this workout before? Can you keep on pushing forwards to make yourself even stronger? Let's go. Come on. We've got less than 10 seconds here. And then just final 30 seconds on the clock. 3, 2, 1. Release. Bring those weights into your hands. And here we go, into those final elbow squeezes. That's it, push those weights up. As we're gonna end here today, we're gonna end with strength, with courage, with grit, with determination, with a little bit more power than when we very first started. All right, here we go. Come on, last 20 seconds is on the clock. If everything is shaking, how can you get yourself centered to say, I'm gonna push forward. Every single step counts. I'm gonna put one more foot on front of the other. Let's go, here we go, in 5, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Woo! Amazing work, everybody. Now make sure that you come back tomorrow, you do this again, and as you get stronger, you're gonna increase the weight, you're gonna increase the resistance, and you're gonna feel a complete shift and change in your upper body. Remember though, 80% is gonna be the nutrition, so make sure you check out our free 5-day Better You program that gives you a personalized coach to help you with your results as well. So, well done everybody. I know that your arms are gonna be shaking, gonna be tingling, but we felt so good for getting that done. And I'll see you tomorrow because you're gonna do this again for the next 8 days. Bye!